Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook liver sauce. So let's get right into the video. Now for our very first ingredient, we'll need some fresh liver. We equally need some fresh tomatoes. Our tomatoes has already been washed and sliced. We equally need some tomato paste. You can get the tin. We'll need some chopped onions and some pepper. Now this is set aside because this is going to be used for the liver. We need some oil. You can use whichever cooking oil of choice. We need some bell peppers, one for garnishing and the other for the stew base. We'll need some ginger and garlic. Now if you can use the sachets, that's okay. We'll need some green spices, some carrots, some onions. Now this is equally for the stew base, and carrots are optional. You can either include or exempt them. So we'll need some carrots for our stew base. We are going to proceed to add everything to our tomatoes and bell peppers. So the first thing we'll add to our bucket is the ginger and garlic. We'll proceed to add our green spices, carrots and onions. We are equally going to add some pepper. Now I added just one pepper because it is very hot. This is in order to come out with a fine paste like this. So this is our stew, and we equally need some sliced carrots. This is for garnishing, so whatever shape depends on you. This is our green or bell peppers that we have sliced, and we are going to set this aside. This will be used almost at the end. Now we are going to proceed to wash our liver well. I do not wash my liver with anything other than water, so I'm going to wash my liver properly with water. And mind you, no matter how many times you wash it, it is never enough. So wash it till you get near clear water. So you have to make sure that you wash it properly, so it's going to only lessen. Now we are going to proceed to slice our liver or cut them into smaller sizes. Do not overcut them to bits because they shrink when they cook. So we are going to cut them into smaller sizes and proceed to wash again. Add more water and then wash your liver properly with your hands. So as you can see at this point, it's already clean. We are going to strain and add more water. Now this water is in order to cook this liver at this point. So we are going to proceed to add our onions, peppers to our pot. This is so that we can actually boil this liver. You can decide to actually go in with onion paste. That's okay. So we are going to proceed to season with some salt. Add 1 scotch bonnet and cover, then proceed to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is ready, you're going to take it off the fire, and this is how it looks. We are going to proceed to strain the water immediately so it stops it from cooking any further. Now proceed to add in cold water and rinse and set aside. So for our stew, we are going to add some oil to our dry pot and proceed to saute some onions. Now you saute these onions until they become translucent, just like this. Thereafter, you're going to proceed to add your tomato paste. The reason why we are adding our tomato paste is so that we can fry it to reduce the sour taste. This is some basil leaves, so we are going to add some of it to our pot for some flavor, and we continue to stir fry. Once we must have fried properly, we are going to add our stew blend to the pot. Give it a good mix. Make sure everything is incorporated properly, and then we are going to proceed to cover the pot. I did not add more water. If you want to add more water, you can add it. So just cover the pot and let it cook for 10 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to check and give it a good stir. This is because the tomato paste underneath should not get burnt, because we are supposed to cook this until the water dries up. So we are going to make sure we mix from time to time. Please cook these tomatoes until you get rid of the sour taste. Once your stew still tastes sour after cooking, just know that it will easily get sour. That's just the trick. After an extra 15 to 20 minutes, we are going to add our liver because our stew is ready. It no longer tastes sour and the water has dried up. So we are going to add our liver and we are going to give it a good mix. The reason why we took out our liver earlier is because we do not want it to overcook. So we tend to take it out earlier and only add it when the stew is ready. So we are going to give it a good mix and we are going to proceed to garnish. At this point, you can garnish with whatever you want, but we already have our bell peppers. So we are going to add our green bell pepper. We are equally going to add our carrots. You can decide to actually steam these carrots before adding it to your stew, but it has no problem because we needed it crunchy. Now you're going to give this a good mix while this is still on low heat, just so the carrots and bell peppers have some time to cook before you turn off the heat. Taste and adjust seasonings. You can add some cooking oil, but that's okay if you do not want to add it. So we did not add, and this is what we have: a very nice cooked sweet liver sauce, and this is how it looks. You can pair this with anything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.